Right, in this problem we have a conditional statement which says if I live in Nebraska, then I can speak English. All right, sometimes you'll see these 5 different types of conditionals written with P's and Q's, and it's a little bit confusing. So we'll start with our conditional, just our regular one. You'll usually see this as P and this arrow Q. And what that means, the way you read that, you'd say if P, then Q. So exactly how it's written here. If I live in Nebraska, then I can speak English. All right. The converse, remember what the converse does is it switches them. So it would say Q, then P. So the way the sentence would say, it'd be, if I can speak English, then I live in Nebraska. All right, which isn't true. You can live anywhere and speak English. All right. So these aren't necessarily true or false. It's just the structure of them. The inverse would be if again it's the P first and the Q, but you use a not. So you might see a negative sign. So not P implies not Q. Or if I do not live in Nebraska, right, put that not in there. If I don't live in Nebraska, then I don't speak English. Again, that's usually not true. The contrapositive, again, it switches them. So the Q's first and then P, but it uses that not again. So not Q implies not P. So if I cannot speak English, then I do not live in Nebraska. All right, so you can maybe see those. And then the biconditional one, this one goes either way using the phrase if and only if. And that's going to be P, and instead of the arrow just going to the right, it's also going to go backwards. And the way you'd read this is P if and only if Q. Or if I should say, I live in Nebraska if and only if I can speak English, is how you would read that sentence.